Hey everyone, welcome back to Great with Kavindra. Today I am going to show you how to make a super cool lava lamp at home with just a few simple ingredients: vinegar, vegetable oil, baking soda, and food coloring. At first, fill your jar with 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Next, pour the vegetable oil until the jar is almost full. This is the main process to create lava effect. Now, take a next jar and pour 1/3 of vinegar onto it. Then add few drops of food coloring. Shake it for some times. Get a base light to make the oil jar stand on it. Then pour the coloring liquid to the jar. Leave it for some seconds and watch as your lava lamp comes to life. The bubbles will float as color to water through the oil, creating the classic lava lamp effect. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe.